Sometimes your Android is less secured because of only one setting that always is being ignored by many people. They forget to turn off only some parts of Android settings. If this setting is enabled in your Android, it can allow unwanted files and apps to be installed in your device. And sometimes it may be the source of malware and viruses in your device by installing fake apps. Now, I prepared this video to show you step-by-steps on how you can protect your Android device by turning this setting off so that your Android cannot be able to store unwanted files and fake apps from unknown sources. Now, make sure you stay until the end because each step is very important to be followed, and this setting can make your phone to be safe. Now, the setting we are talking about is called Install Unknown Apps. As we know that Android always blocks apps that always come from untrusted sources and only allows some of them from trusted sources. And sometimes people use these untrusted sources to install apps, and after there, they forget to turn off. When this enabled, many untrusted apps continue to be installed in your device that can be harmful for your device and can cause malware and other viruses in your device.
Now, let me show you how you can turn off this setting. Now you will open Settings on your Android device, and you will scroll down to look for Security in the Settings list, as you can see here. And after there, you will scroll to search for Unknown Source Installations. Here you will be able to know all permitted unknown sources which have permission of installing apps. You'll see some of apps such as Chrome, Phoenix, Drive, Zender, and others. Now turn off all of them so that they cannot be able to install unwanted apps within your device. Use only trusted source, like Google Play Store, to download and perform installation of all apps you need. And even if you will install some of these apps from these untrusted sources, you will need to come back again and turn this setting off so that to enable this setting in your Android device. I hope this Android setting can help you to secure your device and to protect you from dangerous websites. Now, if this video helped you, subscribe to SKILLNOVA Digital for more smartphone tutorials and Android settings. Don't forget to like, comment, and share this video. Thank you for watching.